If you're using AI like Google, you're already losing. I'll show you a method in this video that makes learning feel rigged in your favor, and it only takes 20 minutes a day. By the end of this video, you'll know why most people forget what they learn, the one AI prompt that fixes that, and the exact system I use to learn faster than courses in school. Stay with me, the mistake most people make happens in under 30 seconds. Be honest. You watch tutorials. You read threads. You even study the whole day. Then 24 hours later, it's gone. That's not a memory problem. That's a learning design problem. Here's the uncomfortable truth. AI doesn't help you learn faster by giving answers. It helps you learn faster by forcing your brain to work correctly. Step 1 is where speed comes from. Most people ask, explain this topic. That's slow. Instead, use this solution. Explain this like I'm smart but impatient. No history. No theory. Only what actually matters. This cuts learning time by half immediately. But clarity alone isn't enough. If you skip the next step, you'll still forget everything. This is where it gets unfair. After AI explains something, do this. I'm going to explain this back. Stop me when I'm wrong. Why this works. Your brain switches from passive to active. Mistakes get corrected instantly. Understanding locks in. This single step puts you ahead of 90% of learners. If school worked like this, people wouldn't hate learning. Now here's the shortcut nobody talks about. Ask AI. What are the 5 biggest beginner mistakes in this topic? Then, explain why each one fails. Your brain remembers errors better than success. This saves you years of trial and error. Next is what makes this method personal. And why it works even if you hate studying. Tell AI how you learn. Say, I have a short attention span. Use real-world examples. Avoid abstract explanations. The most incredible thing is, school can't adapt to you. AI can instantly. At this point, you're learning faster than most people already. Here's the full unfair system. 5 minutes, compress the topic. 10 minutes, teach it back. 5 minutes, attack mistakes. Do this daily and you'll outperform people who study for hours. This is why some people seem naturally smart. They're not. They just remove friction. AI won't replace effort. But it removes confusion, wasted time and bad learning habits. That's the unfair part. If you want more videos on using tech to gain unfair advantages, faster PCs, longer battery life, sharper thinking, subscribe. This channel is about optimization, not hype.